As a practitioner of intelligent green manufacturing, Const was founded in 2008, which is a high-tech enterprise integrating automation equipment research and development, intelligent manufacturing, sales and service. Focuses on low carbon emissions and environmental protection in the design and development process. Const provides customers with intelligent, green, safe and sustainable technical solutions, including to provide professional production lines for many customers. With the rapid development of the electric automobile industry, Const becomes the leader in parts production by developing an intelligent assembly line to meet the parts production needs of the industry. It established its leading position in the wheel hub unit automatic line industry. Was rated as Suzhou Intelligent Auto Parts Assembly Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center. Const is committed to building an intelligent manufacturing factory by focusing on process architecture, data platform and information security. It builds digital production process, equipment maintenance digitization, visual and unmanned production process, green energy consumption to achieve quality, efficiency, flexibility, agility, low carbon emissions and other manufacturing goals to create value for customers. In the rapid development of intelligent manufacturing technology, Const injects the corporate culture of love, passion, exquisite dedication, and ingenuity into its products. Numerous patents and honor records are the witness to the growth of Constable, rooted in fundamental to create excellence. Const people write a bright chapter of development with unparalleled efficiency that reflect the advantages and innovation over its competitors, with the courage to take responsibility, deepen the cooperation among industry, university and research, focus on the intelligent and green product development. Const strives to achieve the harmonious environment among society, customers and employees.
Const towards the future.